Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide apps on your Android phone. So whether it's social media, private apps, or just want to keep things clean, here I'm going to show you the simple ways to hide apps on Android with no root required. So hiding apps is great for privacy, keeping apps away from kids, or just making your home screen look cleaner. So the first step that you can do, you can hide apps using the built-in settings, but it only apply for Samsung and also some Android phones. So what you need to do in here is just long press on the apps on your home screen, and then go to settings and then look for hide apps options. In here I don't have that options. That means my phone doesn't allow me to hide the apps. So after, but if you have it, you can do that, and the apps will be hidden from your app drawer. And the second method, you can also hide apps using launcher settings. So if your phone doesn't have this option like I do, you can use a launcher. You can just install a launcher apps on the Play Store like Nova Launcher. So let's find it first. This one in here. You can install it first, and after that you can go to the settings app drawer and choose to hide apps, the one that you want to hide. And the next one, you can also use the app lock or secure folder. So some phones offer secure folder or app lock features. So this not only hides apps but also adds password or fingerprint protections, which is perfect for privacy or kids safety. And if you want to only hide certain apps from the home screen, you can just, like I do in here, long press on the app. So let's say this one, and then choose remove. So remove is different from uninstall. It will be removed from your home screen like this, but when you see the apps list like in here, the apps will still be there. This is the one that I removed before. But you need to keep in mind that hidden apps are not uninstalled. You can still access them from settings or by searching their name. So that's how you can hide apps on Android. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and also comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.